I know, I can. Amazing.
He's one of the best.
Hanji, he is definitely.
And you?
And he takes 5
You
minutes.
got it in the first one. To talk.
And 5 minutes it takes for him to light every shot. 5 minutes. Got it! तुमसे बढ़कर दुनिया में न देखा कोई और.
सुबह पे आज दिल की बात है.
I've never been that actor who thinks about it like, you know, we are all over the place. We have night shows and we have everything to try. But I'm ready for you.
Yeah.
Okay, are you? You can look into both of them.
No.
Here, I mean, in between here.
No. Just go look at it straight here.
Yeah, but when you do documentaries, people usually talk to the person who's in front.
Yeah. So I'm not there in the picture at all. So you're talking to the audience directly.
7 films.
So he said that I hadn't seen any work of hers. But she came and the way she talked to me और जिस तरह से उसकी जो फ्रेशनेस थी, जो स्माइल थी, जो उसका वार्मथ था, it was so infectious. I said, you are the girl who's going to do it. So if you have any memory of that, since he told me this.
My wish was I really wanted कि I work with great filmmakers. I work different scripts. So जब कोई मिल गया कि script मेरे पास आई, I was like wow. It was the first science fiction film. It had an amazing story. I wasn't typically the heroine in it. It was more, Nisha wasn't, she was everything but a heroine. So, and when, obviously I knew it was with Hrithik, so I knew it was going to be a lot of fun. So yes, I was very excited क्योंकि it wasn't the run of the mill और उससे पहले मैंने काफ़ी अलग-अलग किरदार निभाए थे. I had done very different films. So this felt like a perfect film among the type of films I was doing, and the fact that Hrithik is such a dear friend, it just felt like home.
And it means working with Rakesh Roshan because you started with your career with Money Rats.
So yes, I've been very fortunate. I've worked with some fantastic directors, and Rakesh sir also is a really good filmmaker. I love the fact that he's very organized. He used to tell me, Preeti, it's going to be a 7 a.m. shift and I'm going to take your shot at 7 a.m. And I used to get up at 4:30 in the morning and get dressed and come to set. And he would take my shot at 7 a.m. or 7:05. So that was really good. I wasn't like, waiting there. And that way he was very organized with the shot breakdown. And you knew the minute he said, cut it! You knew that was an okay. If it wasn't an okay, he'd just go, cut, one more. But the minute he said, cut it! That's an okay. Yeah.
So,
I think, I don't know how to really answer that question because it was, I graphed my role in a way that, she was Rohit's friend and not the heroine of the picture. So it had to be very subtle all through. I think the fact that he was an actor helped because he didn't torture me on set by making me wait. Especially that I came very early in the morning. And having said that, of course, a lot of the focus was on Jadoo, to get Jadoo right. So a lot of it was technical. And I think there was a lot of learning for me as where filmmaking is concerned when I saw that. One of the favorite songs of my career actually, Idhar Chala Udhar Chala. We had so much fun shooting for that song. They were all night shoots. Barish ho rahi thi. And I think it's one of the purest songs in terms of emotion between an actor and an actress, because usually when you see songs that are this pure is between a brother and a sister, it wasn't very sexualized, it was just beautiful about friendship and fun. And we actually had so much fun shooting it. It just was so, like every time I look at it, I just get this warm feeling in my heart and it's so sweet.
कोई magic होता है star के अंदर. What is that magic you feel is there in Hrithik?
I think for Hrithik, a lot of people do hard work, huh? It's not that only Hrithik works hard. Well, I always have a different perfume for a character I play. And then when I did Koi Mil Gaya with him, I realized he had a perfume for the character he played, and I thought that was so cool. I never thought a guy would. I'm very smell oriented, so I thought that was something we shared in common because I was like, "What is this perfume you're wearing? I've never seen it or smelled the smell before." And he's like, "Oh, I got this specially for Rohit," and I was like, "Really?" And then I showed him mine. So I was coming back from America. It's the first time I was bringing the kids to India. Or you know how it is, twins, and they were 1.5 years old. And Hrithik was on the same flight, and it was me and my brother because my husband Jean couldn't fly back with us. And I just strapped them onto me. And when I put them to sleep, I wanted to go to the bathroom, and I just wanted to, just get 5 minutes off, and Hrithik was all there. And I think that's when his fatherly side came. Of course, he has 2 boys. But he was so sweet and gentle with the babies, and I was looking at him and thinking, life really comes a full circle. We've come, look how far we've come. Like, we're both parents now, and I think it was very sweet.
Can add something to that story?
I think the
हिंदी में बोलोगे
ऋतिक की एक बात जो बहुत अच्छी है, वो बहुत सिंपल है. There's a simplicity about him. कभी कभी LA में मिलता है तो हम लोग हिमी एंड जीन वॉक के लिए जाते हैं. We go walking forever road पे, and he's just there, chilled out. He's very simple that way. So I like that about him. He doesn't like too much shosha and too much drama. He's very different when he's on a film set, and he's very different when he's off it. Film set में तो he's very very focused and serious, and he has a little mad sense of humor. But otherwise, what I really love about him, he's very simple.
Okay.
उसके secrets तो मैं आपको बताने नहीं वाली.
नहीं, एक कोई छोटा सा ऐसा जो हर्ट नहीं करी.
नहीं तो I think एक बार हमने कोई मिल गया कि रैप पार्टी में we both wore these very strange wigs and came. उसकी एक फोटो भी है. ऋतिक को एक मोहॉक का विग पहना दिया मैंने, and I had this really other funny boy cut kind of wig. और हम दोनों सेट पे गए, and I remember Rocky sir looking at us saying, ये क्या है? Last shot में he got so angry with us. And me and Hrithik were standing there. Then we had a rap party, and this was in Canada. उसकी एक फोटो अभी भी है इंटरनेट पे. एक दिन मैंने जब भी लोग उसे देखते हैं जैसे ये क्या हो गया इन दोनों को, पर वो विग्स थे जो हम दोनों पहन के सेट पे थे. And I think I don't think Rakesh sir found that funny. He got irritated with both of us. He's like, ये क्या? But me and Hrithik, we wore those wigs and we were like, hi. Pretty seriously गए वहाँ. That was funny.
Have something more to add to it? Anything you
and on right.
अभी ये कोई नहीं दिखेगा, किसी को इंटरेस्ट नहीं.
अगर ये प्रीति जिंटा की ये लट देखने के लिए लोगों ने इस पे ध्यान दिया तो फ्लॉप हो जाएंगे.
हाँ, अच्छा. So okay, ready guys? Can we do one? Yeah. So Hrithik is also, there are 2 people I take physical fitness advice, and one Salman, one's Hrithik. So whenever
we need such talented, beautiful actresses in Bombay.
थोड़ा फिर से बोल दीजिए.
देखिए आप
मैं सुनने को तैयार हूँ. Thank you.
Good luck. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.
So let me introduce myself. I'm Shashi Hrithik.
I know.
He is Arvind.
Hi.
Ari is DOP.
Hi Ari. Okay, can I put this off?
Yes, you can.
ये ऑफ क्यों नहीं हो रहा?
छोड़ दीजिए, ये कर लेंगे.
Excuse me.
Okay, I'll have to go.
Okay.
Thank you.
Nice shooting, and maybe I'll catch people in the alley.
Oh, most definitely. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.